Hello, today I want to show you how I changed the look of my iPhone with new wallpapers and icons. I first downloaded the wallpapers and the icons that I want to use, and I have them in a separate folder in my gallery. I'm going to choose this one to be the main wallpaper that's going to be in my lock screen. And then I'm going to choose a very simple one to be on the home screen. Now for the icons, I use the app Shortcuts. All you have to do is create a new shortcut, then search for Open App, and then choose the app that you want to open with this icon. Once you have it, you just click on this blue button and then Add to Home Screen. That's where you can choose the photo that you want for the icon. And the name that you want it to be displayed. I have shortcuts for my other apps because I have done this before, so I don't have to create the shortcuts again. I just have to edit them and add them to the home screen again. So I choose the new icon that I want and I add it to the home screen. Now I'm going to change them up with the ones that I had previously, and you can save them in a folder if you want to change them up again later, so you don't have to create the shortcuts again, the icons again. And now you can just rearrange them however you want. You can see that the icons open the apps without any lag, but you might be getting a banner on the top from the Shortcuts app. I removed it by following the instructions on a video that I linked in the description. It's a bit more complicated, so you don't really have to do it, but if that bothers you, then you can just follow the instructions on that video. Now for the widget, I'm going to use Widgetsmith, and I'm going to create a medium widget. I select the photo that I want. Just align it however you want. Rename the widget so that you can identify it. Save it and then go to your home screen and add a new widget from Widgetsmith. Choose the size that you want and just add it to your home screen. Now I'm also adding a small calendar on a photo and rearranging my home screen. And that's it.